Would you post your resume on TikTok? If the answer is yes, then you're in luck. Companies like Chipotle, WWE, and Target are teaming up with TikTok resumes for a program that will give you a chance to submit a video resume right on the social media platform. And with the current labor shortage, this could be a new fun way for struggling businesses to find more talent. Social media is increasingly becoming the go-to for a lot of young people to learn interview tips, resume formatting, and find job postings. So why not get hired here too? Of course, some people only want to use TikTok for fun and may not want their personal information out there in video format. If you're hesitant, you could always create a separate account and keep it private and keep your fun account intact. This new program could be the perfect solution for someone whose resume isn't great on paper, but they shine in person. What do you think about TikTok resumes?